In this video, we're going to take a look at some word problems involving ratios, the timestamps for which I've left down in the description. So for our first question, we have Alfie, Bert and Charlie played a game. Bert scored 4 times as many points as Alfie, and Charlie scored half as many points as Bert. We need to write down the ratios of Alfie's points to Bert's points to Charlie's points. So we're going to end up with a ratio that includes Alfie's points to Bert's points to Charlie's points. So now looking back at the question, we're told that Bert scored 4 times as many points as Alfie. So if Bert scored 4 times as many points as Alfie, that means for every 1 point that Alfie scores, Bert will have scored 4 points. So just looking at the ratio of Alfie to Bert, that would be 1 to 4. But now we're going to include the parts for Charlie. We're told that Charlie scored half as many points as Bert. So looking at the ratio we've already got, we can see the parts for Bert would be 4. And if Charlie is scoring half as many points as Bert, well, we can say for every 4 parts that Bert scores, Charlie will score half as many, which would be 2. So we've got parts for Alfie, Bert and Charlie, and it's in its simplest form. We can't simplify this any further. So the ratio of Alfie's points to Bert's points to Charlie's points would be 1 to 4 to 2. Okay, let's look at another example. So for this question, we have in a bag there are red sweets, blue sweets and green sweets. The number of blue sweets is 3 times the number of red sweets, and the number of green sweets is half the number of blue sweets. We need to write down the ratio of red sweets to blue sweets to green sweets, and we have to give our answer in the form A to B to C, where A, B and C are whole numbers. So let's get started on the first bit. We're told that the number of blue sweets is 3 times the number of red sweets. So that means for every 3 blue sweets, there would be 1 red sweet. So we can see here that the ratio of red to blue is 1 to 3. For the next bit, we're told the number of green sweets is half the number of blue sweets. So if the number of green sweets is half the number of blue sweets, that means if there are 3 blue sweets, there will be half as many green sweets. So in this ratio, we could half the 3 and we would get 1.5. So we've got the ratio of 1 to 3 to 1.5, but we don't want to leave our ratio with a decimal. We want to give it in its simplest form. So what can we do here? Well, we're going to find an equivalent ratio. So all I want to do here is multiply the parts for red, blue and green so that we end up with integers. So because I've got 1.5 for green, we can simply double that, but then we need to ensure that we're doing that to everything else as well. So for the red parts, I'm going to do 1 multiplied by 2, which is going to give me 2. For the blue parts, we've got 3, which again we're going to multiply by 2, which gives us 6. And then finally, we're going to take that 1.5, and if we multiply that by 2, that gives us 3. So we now have our ratio in its simplest form, where all the parts are integers. So the ratio of red sweets to blue sweets to green sweets is 2 to 6 to 3. So let's take a look at one more example. Feel free to pause the video here and have a go at this last question, and we'll go through the solution in just a few moments. So for this question, we have in a bag there are red sweets, blue sweets and green sweets. The number of blue sweets is 4 times the number of red sweets, and the number of green sweets is 1/3 of the number of blue sweets. Again, we need to write a ratio of red sweets to blue sweets to green sweets, giving our answer in the form of A to B to C, again where A, B and C are whole numbers. So our final ratio is going to be red to blue to green, and looking at that first bit, we're told the number of blue sweets is 4 times the number of red sweets. So that means for every 1 red sweet, there will be 4 blue sweets. So we can see there just the ratio of red to blue would be 1 to 4. So we're told the number of green sweets is 1/3 of the number of blue sweets. So if there are 4 blue sweets, we would need to divide that by 3. So we can leave the parts for green as 4/3. So we've got 1 part for red, 4 parts for blue, and 4/3 parts for green. So I want to simplify this ratio, so I have all integers. So what can I do to get rid of that fraction for green? Well, because I've got 4 divided by 3, I'm going to do the opposite of that. I'm going to multiply that by 3. But to keep everything equivalent, I need to multiply every part in our ratio by 3. So starting with the left-hand side for red, if I do 1 multiplied by 3, that's going to give me 3. Now for the parts for blue, if we do 4 multiplied by 3, that's going to give us 12. And for green, if I have 4/3 and I multiply that by 3, that's going to leave us with 4. So our fully simplified ratio for our red sweets to blue sweets to green sweets would be 3/12/4. So well done if you followed along with those examples, and that's it for this video. If you want to check out any other videos that are relevant to this one, then I've left some links for them down in the description, and I've also put a card in the top corner. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a like and consider subscribing. If there are any topics at all that you'd like me to go through next, then please just let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to make some videos on those topics as soon as possible. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.